ki pulit jong ka Shillong traffic branch haka arpusaw tarik uyayong arja arpusaw kila talasi kinder ye ki thok arshaka ha IGP point ki bomdon ye ki kot kisla ki babiang ye ki nongnya ki bomdon license ye ki thok ki bapenda da ki modified silencer bar khamtam e ki nongnya arshaka ki bajumlin bantur rak kat hadu bakaju pinwit hadu kata-kata ki nongnya kali hakani rejing talasi ki polet ki lalap ye ki thuk bala kenthop nadu ki motorbike bat ye ki scooty ki don ye registration certificate ki bam siwe ke insurance ki bam pendaj ye ki number plate HSRP ki bam pendaj ye ki number plate bat ye ki bam pendaj da ki modified silencer ye ki nie ki polet ki la shudan kuna ringkat ke jing maham bakimbet satya ban penkhen ye ki kendon jong ka motor vehicles act Superintendent of Police Traffic Ukiya Prasad hakajing ekran markilat pathai kubor ulayat ho baha kajing talasi kali kaba arsni kipulet kilayo lom hadu arlak tam na kaba dan kuna yaki nong penkhen an bat ongru bakatanat pulet kandang yai beteng malakasngi bantalasi yaki thok arshaka
My phone is going to be. Okay, you bring the paper. No, you have to pay the fine for the number plate. How much, sir? Actually, I must pay. I just give I don't have to pay. I'm telling you the truth. Since we have violated the law, you have to pay the fine. How much?